In the previous tutorial, we've learned how to make bamboo pleats on a bodice. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make bamboo pleats on a skirt without having any side seams. For this, we'll require one full front and two half backs. Join the front and the back draft at side seams on straight line. Now we have to eliminate the waist darts. So for that, put a cross mark on the waist darts. Measure the width of the waist darts and mark the same from the side seam. Blend the marked points to the side seam with a curved line and shade that area. This is the area which has to be trimmed. Repeat the same thing with the back. Measure the width of the back darts and mark the same along the side seam on the waistline and draw a curved line blending it with the side seam. Now trim the shaded area. Now we just erase the darts as we know that now they do not exist on the draft. Now our waistline is of fixed measurement and there is no excess on the waistline. So now we start with drawing our style lines. Mark the intersection point on the side seam and draw the first style line from the intersection point. Label it as 1. Now using line 1 as the baseline, draw line 2 from the intersection point up to your line 1. Label it as 2. Now let's draw line 3, taking line 2 as the baseline and ending it on the hemline. Label it as 3. Now let's draw the scissors on the lines in the direction in which we are supposed to cut on the line. Slash on line 1 and open it such that the front waistline side waist point touches the back side waist point. The side seam curves will slightly overlap each other, but make sure that the side waist points touch each other. Tape the front and the back together. Insert a triangular cutout in the space which has opened up on the slash line. Fold and trim the excess as per the waistline. Now draw the center line and extend line 2 up to this center line. Now starting from the center line, we slash line 2. Now open the slash line in such a way that the side waist point of the back and the front touch each other. The side seam curves will overlap, but the side waist points will only touch each other. Repeat the same procedure as we did for the first part. Now fold and trim this excess too, like how we trimmed for line 1. Now we draw the center line again, and now this time we'll extend line 3 up to this center line. Now slash through the center on line 3 up to the hem line. You can open up this slash line to the amount that you require for your pleat depth. Now again we'll fold and trim the excess as per line 2 and also as per the waistline. Our draft is ready now. Let's just fold and see. So while folding and stitching, we'll start in the reverse order. First line number 3, then 2, and then comes 1. And our skirt is ready without any side seams. It'll just have one center back seam line. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.